Hi, welcome. Just getting my water ready to do some color. So today I'm going to show you how to use Dawn dishwashing liquid to lighten your hair. By the way, my name is Sylvia Russell. Listen, using Dawn dishwashing liquid, I would say use caution. These products can lighten the hair, but they also can be harsh on the hair. So if you and your girlfriends are talking about how to lighten your hair the economical way, and you're going to use Dawn, just use precaution. Make sure you use a good conditioner after using it. Now, if you want to get a really good effect, use Dawn dishwashing liquid straight out of the bottle. You can also mix it with shampoo. Also, you can use baking soda. These 3 steps will help you get on your way to having lighter and brighter hair. But remember, you didn't hear it from me. Dishwashing liquid is something that many people use, and if by chance you should have any problems, run down to your local stylist. My name is Sylvia Russell, and this is how you can use Dawn dishwashing liquid to lighten your hair.